Hello guys. So today I will let you explain about the most famous questions which is generally asked in the many of the service companies. So it is quite easy, but if you go through the exact logic it will be quite easy for you. So I have one problem. So the problem says uh, you have to find out the max non-adjacent sum of element in an array. So it is saying we have a given a list of positive integers and we have to find out the maximum sum of non-adjacent element in the array. So basically what it is telling that, say if you say it, we have a 6, 10, 12, 7, 9, 14. So it is saying that you have to make a sum of non-adjacent element in the array. Okay, so since C and 10 are adjacent elements, so we cannot add 6 and 10, but we can add 6 and 12. Okay, so and we can add 12 and 9, we can add 12 and 14. The same way we can add 10 and 7, we can add 10 9, we can add 10 14. So in that way you have to find the sum so that it should be the max. So if we consider 6 plus 12 plus 14, so s- sum of this 12 plus 6 18, 18 plus 4 is equal to 32, which should be the output. So here is the things, like if we are considering, like if we will not consider 12, if we consider 9, so the sum is still is, it is like 27 only, which is less than the 32. So in that case we don't have to consider 9, we have to consider 14 to get the result as 32. So this is the thing we have to do. So let's move to the problem and how we will solve this problem. Okay, so let's move ahead. So here we have the given array. So whenever we see the problem, what comes in the mind? So basically we have to figure it out, like we have to done some like memorization techniques to get the exact result. So here what we will do, it will, you first prepare an array. Let me prepare that. Okay, yeah, you prepare an dp array. If add this element 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so what will we do, we have elements 6 10 12 7 9 14. So what we will do, we will try to iterate over this array from starting from the 2th index. Since we cannot add 6 and 10, so whatever will be the result, we will store it here. What? Okay, since 6 and 10, S- in the first place we will store 6 only, but in the second store we will check the max of both the 6 and 10. It is, since it is 10, so we will add 10 here. Okay, and from the starting from 2 second index we will try to check, since at the this position I position it is 0, it is 1, it is 2, it is 3, it is 4, it is 5. Okay, so now at the fifth position, so now we will try to start checking it, like from the 2th index what we can do. Since if you try to add 12 plus 6, it will be 18, right? And the last element which are having dp of I minus 1, we are having in the value of 10. So we will compare, if we are adding 12 plus 6, dp of I plus minus 2 plus current element, it is 18. So if we consider 12 plus 6 18, and if we consider the elements which are having the sum 10, so 18 plus 10, which is the greater, so this is 18 is greater, so we will discard 10 and 18 will be stored here. The next we will iterate over 7. In 7 we can check, we cannot add 7 and 12, but we can add 7 and 10. So if we add 7 and 10, the sum is 17. And we will check what is the sum computer till now. The sum computer till now is dp of I minus 1. This is a dp array, right? So we will check 17 and 18. Since 18 is greater, so we will store it here, we will discard 17. So in the same way, if we go to 9, we can add 12 and 9, but we cannot add 7 and 9. And we have computed the sum till 12. So till 12 our sum is 18. If we add 18 plus 9, it is 27. And what is the compute sum till 7? It is 18. So if we considered 18, 27, 27 is the greatest, so we will ignore 18. So in the next position we will see 14. If we can add 14 to 7, and we can not add 14 and 9. Okay, so if we try to add it, uh, if we add 14 plus sum complete till now 7, it is 32, right? So it is 32, and dp of I minus 1 till this it is 27, so we will discard 27 since it is less, so the sum is 32. So this is the output, this logic you have to do it. And it will be, if you try to explain in this way to the interviewer, it will look quite impressive for them. And if you want the exact code for this one in any of the language, do let me know in the comment section so I can help you in the code. So okay, thank you for watching this video.